पहले ये सम करो, उसके बाद मुझे क्वेश्चन बोल रहा हूं, मैं कर दूंगा यहाँ पर. ओके come on, do this. All of you are trying. So see, if 5 men and 2 women working together can make bricks 4 times more than a man and a woman. That means what work they do is 4 times of what work a man and a woman does. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means these people's one day work is man and woman's
4. So
4 days work. So now what they are asking, compare the work of a man with that of a woman. So what we'll do is, we are just separating man and woman so that we can compare the ratio of their work. So man by woman is equal to 2:1. Okay. So this is the work of a man when compared to a woman. That means man is 2 times more workaholic or efficient than woman. Okay. Just do this. No, it is work of man with that of a woman. So woman does the work in 1 day, man does in 2 days. That's why. Because here 5 men and 2 women were there, na? So here this is the ratio of work done, not the time ratio. Compare the work of a man with that of a woman. So 2 days and 1 day. Okay. All of you, are you doing?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now yesterday's question, Yash, कौन सा है कल का question बताओ?
This was the homework question, sir.
Yeah, please tell me the homework now. Question. I'll just make a note. Okay, you people do this. No problem. I'm waiting. You tell me the homework question. I'll solve that. Okay, tell me the homework question. Hello. Yeah, tell me the homework question, please. Tell me the first line. That's it.
Sir, Ramesh is thrice as
Okay. Understood. I will do it. No problem. Did you get the answer for this?
Got wrong answer, sir.
4:1, sir.
No. Answer is what did they ask? 15 days. Ramesh is thrice as good as workman. As Bipin. And is therefore So 40 days. Find the time. To complete. Okay, now let's do this. See, already you know, if I take Bipin's work as T, so Ramesh work would be correct.
40. Oh, 30.
But it is wrong, na? Why it is wrong? See, Ramesh is thrice as good workman as Bipin. So Ramesh, if Bipin takes, if Ramesh takes T days, Bipin would take how many days? Correct? Correct or wrong? Hello? Hello, now please understand. Ramesh is thrice as good workman as Bipin. That means Ramesh is 3 times better than Bipin, na? So what work Ramesh does in one day, Bipin will do in how many days?
3 days.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why like that? Because Ramesh is more efficient. He would consume less time. If Ramesh can do a work in one day, Bipin would do in 3 days. So if Ramesh can do in T days, Bipin would do in 3 days. Now, what is the difference of the work between them? 40 days, correct? See, Ramesh is 3 times better than Bipin, so he will take less days now. So difference in time is created because of the efficiency. Since Ramesh is more efficient, he will take less days. So now what is happening is they are doing a piece of work. So if they work with this efficiency level, Ramesh is doing the work 40 days
40
less
days.
than Bipin, correct? So can I say the difference in the time is of 40 days? So what is T? $20, correct? So if Ramesh does the work in 20 days, Bipin would do in how many days?
60 days.
Now can't you do the combined work? Just do combined work. Come on, do this. How many days?
$15 days.
Yeah, 15 days. If they work together, they would finish in 15 days. All of you, please make a note of this. Now, let's go ahead. What was the another question? Hello? Yes, yes. What was the another question?
That one I didn't copy, sir.
What?
The above one also.
Acha, above one. Okay, okay, fine.
5 minutes.
Now do this work. This question I'm writing here. Okay, do this.
Sir, 4.8 days.
Okay.
Wrong, sir.
Yeah, 4 point. Just a second. So you got how much days? Hello.
4.8.
No, it's wrong. Okay, let's do this. P can do a work in 12 days. So P is 1 day's work is. Now Q works 60% more fast than P. So can I say the work of Q is 1.6 times of this? Why 1.6? If you take 1 by 2 into do 60%, it is what? How much? 30 you need to take more, correct? So
Sir, 7.
0.50 plus 30 would be 0.80, correct? So this is 30%. 1 by this 1 by 12. I'm extremely sorry. So if you have to increase someone's work by 60%, you can calculate this one. You will get 5% extra. 1 by 12 is how much? Can you tell me? Whatever it is, that much you need to add to it. Okay. So instead of doing all this stuff, it is better you take 1.6. 60% more is nothing but 1.6. Like 1 by 12 into 1 plus 0.06. No, 1.1 plus 0.60. Okay, 60%. More than 160%. If I take like this, so this becomes 1 by 12 into 1.6. This you should know. These are the basics. So P's work is that much. Q's work is 1.6 times more than P's work. Okay. So now they're asking. Let us solve this. So we have P's work, we have Q's work. Now what are they asking? How many days it takes for QLM to finish the work? This is 1 day's work. Let us find out the total work. Total work is 7.5 or 7.5 days. This is 1 day's work. Now I am taking the total work. Do this. Okay, next one. Next question. Do this. Okay, so this, I don't know why you people are not doing this. I have less idea about that fact. Yesterday I have explained you similar kind of question. So I want an answer from you people, please.
Yes, sir. You explained similar type of problem.
Yeah, I'll be glad for that even, So please, all of you participate and do this question. It's an easy one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do it. Give me a second. I'll be back in a second. Fine. You just try. Yes, finished.
Sir, six answer.
Come
Sir,
on,
three
man.
is the answer.
Answer. Yes. Just a second. Both of my ears were hearing the same sound. So answer is, what is that going on back in the background? Some insect. So the answer is 3 days. Because what is
Yeah,
C? See,
sir.
how long would it take A and C to complete the remaining work? What happened if you are not solving these kind of questions which you already know the idea of? Then how? Okay, let's do this. See, ABC can do a job in these many days. They have their individual work, individual days work. We will just find out, but they can do the total job in these many days. A's job can be done in 10 days, B takes 12 days to finish, C days 15 days. So in one day, A would take 1 by 10, B would take 1 by 12, C would
1 by
take 1 by
12,
15.
1 by
Now
50.
the next, yeah, now the next point is B is leaving after 2 days. So B is working only for 2 days. Fine. So who is working for the entire days then? A and C?
A and C.
So they are working for T days. We don't know the total number of days, correct? Do you know the total days?
No, sir.
No, you don't know. These people are working for the entire days. B is working for 2 days. So now let's frame the equation. A is working for the total days and the alone time of A is 10 days. B is
10,
working for 2 days and the alone
2
time of
by
B is 12 days.
12.
C is working for the entire time and the
3
alone
by
time of C is
15.
15. 1. Find out the T value here. What is that you got for T? In exam, don't solve. You can directly put the values here. But it's an easy one. Okay. What is the value of T? Did you get 5 days?
5 days, sir.
So this is the total time of the work to be done. But they are asking only about A and C. So we will remove B's work.
5 minus 2.
So
2
3
days.
days A
3
and
days.
C would work together. Okay. So now let's do the next question. Come on, do this.
Sir, 15 by 2 days.
What? Yes. Hello.
Sir, 7.5 day.
Yes, it is correct. See, Suresh, 1 day work is what? Suresh can do how much part of work in 15 days?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Correct? So let us understand. So 3 by 4 part of the work is doing in 15 days. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 day's work is how much? Listen to this, divide by this. So actually, just a second. This is the work days. So 3 by 4th part of the work is doing in 15 days. So total work in how many days? Correct or wrong?
Yes,
Total
sir.
work is 1 day, na? But total work is like, let us take 1. How many days? Correct? Come on, tell me. So this into this, divide by this. So 20 days. That means if Suresh can do 3 by 4th part of the work in 15 days, so total work he would do, total is 1, na? 100% work he will do. See, let us take like this, 75% work is done in 15 days, 100% work is done in how many days? So 20 days. Okay, that's all right. Now Suresh, 1 day work is fine. Tell me, Baba. Yes. So now Mohan completes the rest part of the work in how many days? Tell me. 3 days. Correct? Now, so if I 1 by 3 by 4th work is 15 days. So 1 by 4th work how much? 3 by 4th work if done in 15 days. Correct? So what they are saying, Suresh can do 3 by 4th part. Mohan completes the rest part. So rest part is what? 1 by 4. If 3 by 4th
1 by
part of the
4.
work is done by Suresh, 1 by 4th of the work will be done by Mohan. Correct? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is doing in how many days? 3 days. So total work he would do in how many days? So this is he is doing in 3 days. So this is 3 days, correct? So now this is the 1 day work of Suresh. 1 day work of Suresh. Now please carefully listen. Please carefully listen. If Mohan can do 1 by 4th of the work in how many days? 3 days. So in 1 day how much
3
work
days.
is doing? One day how much work is doing?
1 by 12.
Correct? 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is in 1 day's work of Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Mohan's 1 day's work. So we have Suresh 1 day work, we have Mohan's 1 day work. So can we find out the combined work?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 by 20 plus 1 by 12.
Yeah. So how many days? Okay.
7.5 days.
Yeah, 7.5 you'll get there. Now do this question. Come on, do this.
So what is that? 1,000 men in a
Fortress
fortress have.
have provisions.
Okay.
Just solve this. I'll be back in a second.
Sir, 10 days.
నేర్చుకోండి నాకెందుకు గురువు అంటాడు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేస్తాను ఆ నేమ్ పట్టించుకోబోతాను విఐటి వెళ్ళి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ ఒక అతను ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అన్ని క్లియర్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఏంటి జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత క్లియర్ చేస్తున్నాడు 18 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్
Okay, see, it's a very easy question.
Sir,
See,
10 days.
yeah,
So 10 days is the answer.
yeah, 10 days.
10
There is a
days.
concept of, yeah, good. Man days. M1, N1 is equal to, what is that? We can say like, how many people? 1000. So M1 into number of days,
12
12,
days.
is equal to M2. So 200 more people are joining, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So to this 200 people more join, it becomes 1200. So this D2 we need to find. Or we can say M1, D1. Okay, fine. Or you can say number of men, N1, D1, N2, D2. 12,000 by 20 is 10 days. Okay, write down the next question. Do this.
Sir, 72.
Sir, 72 acres.
72 acres, sir.
Yeah, just a second. 72 acres, yes. So here what we can do is N1, number of men is 4, D1 30, and they are doing the work on 40 acres. W1 is 40, N2 18, D2 12, W2 we need to find.
40.
So let's take the formula here. N1 into D1 by W1 is equal to N2 into D2 by W2. Please solve this. Answer would be 72 acres.
72 acres.
Yeah. So I'm giving you now two questions as homework. Very good questions. Try them and sending the worksheet for time and work. Please try questions on that. I'm giving 3 sums homework. Okay, 3 sums. So those will be explained tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll take puzzle test in reasoning, and as well as we'll start time and distance introduction part. Sunday also we are having class this time morning. Okay, be ready for the class Sunday. Sure, I'll take 100%. I'll take on Sunday the class. Okay, so I'm sending the screen, the worksheets to you right now. Solve those questions. I'm also sending the answers simultaneously. You can check the answers also once you solve them. Okay, then tomorrow probably I'm trying to take like I'm putting some classes holidays tomorrow. Some of the classes I'm canceling. So I'll try to take a long session for you tomorrow. Okay, and Sunday be ready for the 2.5 3 hours whatever session, because Sunday will start English also. So Sunday one full chapter in quants English will start on Sunday. Okay, and GK also will do some GK on Sunday. Okay, then all of you do the work I'm sending right now, and be ready for the class tomorrow. Okay, we'll take additional extra time tomorrow. Okay, all of you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir.